Hello, and this is Internet of Things and the impact on good health in Sweden. First thing we'll talk about is the remote treatment options with Internet of Things. Scientists in Sweden have discovered a insulin injection that you can now attach to your side and with your phone set timers to inject your body with insulin, which is a daily treatment needed with those with type 2 and type 1 diabetes. Currently, due to data, diabetes has risen a 4.5% in the last 10 years. Secondly, what Internet of Things can do for the health industry there is data collection for research. A large amount of applications that allow you to record lifestyle choices and things that may impact your health to help researchers better conclude diagnoses for diseases. The more information they can get, the better that they can reduce down to what the actual problem is for the disease. Thirdly, is remote vital monitoring. This connects back to our previous topic. So, what doctors have installed are biometric analysis, basically programs that allows them to monitor the vitals of patients and to provide real in-time real in-time transportation of the data of the patient. This allows doctors to respond quickly and to make any adjustments or any emergency actions for patients, all while they're in their office or talking to another patient. Secondly is risk factor identification. Scientists in Sweden have found, through the use of Internet of Things, a technique to basically be able to look inside a person virtually and remotely through cameras and other sort of devices to be able to diagnose patients from the inside now, not just from a patient's, say, recollection of symptoms. This will go in great leaps to lead the medical community around the world, and Sweden currently is number 3rd for the amount of Internet of Things. Is number 3rd in the world for growth of Internet of the Things devices. Lastly, is lifestyle management applications. Basically, what this does is your devices in Sweden, which according to a Datalytical website, has found that 93% of Sweden population is on some type of device that connects to the internet. Basically, what this does will allow them to be able to monitor their lifestyle, and the app will actually send notifications for types of changes from exercise to diet for patients to improve and have one of the best longevities. Sweden is currently ranked 23rd in the world for longevity. Thank you for listening, and this is how the Internet of Things is improving the healthcare sector in Sweden.